Hey there, creative minds, welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the art of creating the best thumbnails for your videos. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, mastering the craft of thumbnail design is key to capturing attention and boosting clicks. So, open Photoshop, create new, go to Film and Video, and choose this size. Create. Now we need to remove guides, so go to View, scroll down, and clear guides. Now we need background, so go to Pinterest, link on bio, write par example, Aero Economy background. There are a lot of background. Choose what do you like. Like this. This is better. Click on this 3 points and download image. Upload this image on Photoshop. Change image size to thumbnail size. Click Ctrl on your keyboard and select the two. Merge layers. Now for more attractive, we need some blur. Go to Filter. Click Blur, Gaussian blur. Leave it 5. Okay. Upload your image or your avatar. Right-click on the mouse. Then group from layer. Click here. Brightness, contrast. Edit your image brightness and contrast. Click Alt on your keyboard. Then close this group and open this group. Now need a Photoshop logo. So search for Photoshop logo pinche. And there are a lot of them. Click right and save image. Upload the logo on Photoshop. Make a few changes to it. Now Ctrl and select that layers, then merge layers. Change layer name. Two clicks. Added outer glow. Leave opacity 75. And size 200. Now added text. Ctrl+T for modify the size. Two clicks. Outer glow. Change color from red to black. Okay. Stroke. Okay. Click Alt on keyboard and scroll your mouse down. Change make to thumbnail. Ctrl+T for modify the size. Now we need an emoji for more and more attractive. Go to Google and search for OMG emoji PNG. Choose one and download it. Upload on Photoshop. Modify it a little. Change thumbnail color to the red. Okay? Now write YouTube logo. Pick one and download it. Two clicks. Stroke. Change to black. Okay. Added outer glow. Added this PNG for eyes catching. Modify a little. Two clicks for added outer glow. Okay. Congratulations. We finish our thumbnail. It's time for export. Go to File, scroll down, Export, then export as. And this is the result. Don't forget subscribe, like and share with your friend.